Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your wallet address on the Coin98 Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Coin98 Wallet application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, you will be asked to log in using your hot or cold wallet, and you may also use your social accounts to log in. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into your home page, from which you can directly send and receive, as well as buy cryptos. Now, if you wish to find your wallet address in order to share with various other users, you can tap on your current wallet at the top section within the drop-down menu, and you will now find the Manage Wallets option. Go ahead and tap on this, and tap on your wallet once again, and you will now see the View All Wallet Addresses button. Go ahead and tap on this, and this will now show you all of the different wallet addresses that you can use in order to receive cryptos for various different currencies. Just tap on the Copy button alongside the currency that you would like to receive, and you can now simply share this wallet address with any person that wishes to send you currency. You can also tap on the QR code button alongside each currency to share the QR code. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to find your wallet address on the Coin98 Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.